Hi, my name's Kevin Hennah. I've worked with libraries now for over 20 years on design, reinvigorations and strategies to maintain relevance. I also work with a team at Merchandising Libraries, helping to make sure that their products meet the practical needs of libraries. This is one of my favourite low-budget yet impressive solutions for merchandising libraries. In this instance, we've got an external sign often used by schools, but there's no reason why it couldn't be used by a public library as well, because it can be done at any size and scale. In this instance, we're using 4.5mm thick black matte acrylic. The important thing to note with this product is it's really easy to install because it comes with a positioning template. Now in this instance I've got a very small one which was actually used for a small return chute, which is also another of my favourite applications of this product. But to demonstrate the way it attaches, you simply hold the template on the wall, you peel the quality 3M tape off of the back to reveal the adhesive, and each letter sits inside the template so that when you remove your template you have perfectly positioned lettering. So as I said, it can be done at any size and scale. In this instance you can see a large library sign, but it could also be a small return sign or anything you want because it's custom made. The only other thing you really need to think about is to let the Merchandising Libraries team know whether this is internal or external application, because that will dictate the type of adhesive they recommend for you. By installing it yourself, it's impressive, it's cost effective and it creates a great first impression.